Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the DNS Server Not Authoritative for zone error in Windows 11. This error typically appears when trying to run a command or access certain services and is often caused by corrupted system files, improper DNS settings, or issues with command line execution paths. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch command prompt as administrator. Open the Start menu, then type CMD in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Step 2. Flush DNS cache and reset Winsock. In Command Prompt, type the following command and press Enter. ipconfig flush DNS. After seeing successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, type netwinsock reset. When it says successfully reset the Winsock catalog, restart your computer. Step 3. Open terminal from the problematic directory. Open File Explorer, then navigate to the folder where the issue occurs. Right-click the folder and select Open in Windows Terminal. This may help if the error was caused by access or directory issues. All done. That's how to fix the DNS server not authoritative for this zone error on Windows. Hope this helped you out. Have a great day. Goodbye.